Nutra Innovations 24-hour pump review. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is David Fredrickson. We're going to go over a 24-hour pump by Nutra Innovations. And as the name says, 24-hour pump, I really don't have to explain what this is to be used for. So we're going to get right into the ingredient profile. And I'm going to give you guys my honest review after taking this more than a few times. Does this deliver? So we have first on the list, we have L'Oreal glycerol at 3,500 milligrams. Now what this is this is going to be part glycerol, which is going to be a little over 1 gram of glycerol at this dosage, which is going to help with cell swelling. It's going to help with muscle endurance, exercise endurance, muscle contractions, and hydration in the gym through your workouts. Then it's also a part lauric acid. So lauric acid is a medium chain triglyceride. It's the fatty acid that's found in coconut oil that a lot of people are searching for to get the benefits out of coconut oil. And what this is lauric acid is an antibacterial, antifungal type fatty acid. Now the cool thing about this is lauric acid also digests very quickly, and it is a form of energy as well as far as fatty acids go. Then we have L-norvaline at 300 milligrams. Now L-norvaline is an arginase inhibitor. An arginase inhibitor is going to elevate arginine in your body. So your body is always trying to be in homeostasis, however you want to say it. And it's always trying to stay at a certain level. So it doesn't want super high vasodilation and no nitric oxide going through your body. So it's always going to try to keep it level out. So it's going to release arginase, which is going to break down arginine to stop the process of course, your vasodilation and pump effects. So having an arginase inhibitor is a great addition to a pump pre-workout, any kind of pump pre-workout out there. Then we have sodium chloride at 100 milligrams. And this is straight sodium. So we all know what sodium is. It's going to help with hydration. It's going to help with that cell swelling as far as drawing water into the muscles. So my experience on this product. First, you want to know if it's a 24-hour pump or not, right? So I'm going to tell you, it's got a long-lasting pump effect to it. I mean, I was dilated for a while after the workout and felt the muscle swelling, you know, like the vaso pump type effect for quite a long time, even off of 1 gram of glycerol in this product. And the interesting thing here was the lauric acid, and it's the only thing I can equate it to. I took this several times, and each time I took this, my gut felt better. So having that less than 2 grams of lauric acid that you find in coconut oil really had an effect on my well-being as far as my gut. So if you're looking for something that is going to not affect your gut, like, you know, we have a top-off point when we're taking L-citrulline and all these other pump ingredients. So you can only go so far and before you get diminishing returns. And the more and more you stack on, the more and more that stuff sits in your guts and your body's going to break it down. It was really nice to not do that and have something that was just 3 ingredients, actually just 2. I mean, I don't count sodium as an ingredient, but it's an ingredient. And my gut felt really good. And during the workout, the other thing I noticed was I do take MCTs before my workout with my meal. I take a scoop of a keto MCT coconut oil blend, and I do that all the time. But I had more energy at the end of my workout. I felt like they say we want to be hydrated. I felt like I had so much more in the tank, especially yesterday when I was doing back and biceps. I was at 2 hours, and I was finishing up with biceps, and I really had that extra, it wasn't this like profound energy, but it was this extra muscle connection that delivered my way and muscle endurance. So that's my review, my honest review on 24-hour pump by Nutra Innovations. If you are looking for something like that, my opinion, it's worth it. This is Dave. I'm signing off. Don't forget to like the video for me and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll be back with another one. You guys have a great day.